Hi there, I'm Rob and I'm the founder of Mindgrowth Digest Network, and I want to invite you to join our community. So, is this community for you? That's probably what you're asking yourself. Well, if you want to be more productive and learn how to use different AI tools and systems, then this community is for you. Do you want access to thousands of dollars worth of ebooks, videos, audio, courses, other resources, prompt packs, systems, and more? Then this is for you. Are you interested in sharing or developing your creative pursuits? Do you have a success mindset or want to build one? Are you looking to be a solopreneur? Maybe you want to share your business know-how with others. If so, this community is for you. Do you want to build your leadership skills? Maybe you have tons of skill or you have no skill at all. Well, guess what? This community is for you. So all this will be free for the first 100 people that join. After that, I'll start charging a fee to join because we'll have a ton of content on here. So let's take a look at what we have inside. So we'll have a variety of classrooms here. AI for professionals, productivity powerhouse, retiree productivity, mindset mastery, high performance habits, time mastery strategies, solopreneur success, wellness and balance, as well as quality management. These are just a handful of the classrooms we currently have, and we'll be expanding and offering more later. So with that, I'd like to invite you to join the Mindgrowth Digest Network. And again, if you're looking to be productive, master your mindset, or other strategies for personal development, then join our growing community.